Good morning, students. This is Harsnath Shukla, and today in class 12th we are going to solve some problems based on properties of inverse trigonometric function. So let us see some questions. See example number 3. Sin inverse 2x root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sin inverse x, where minus 1 by root 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1 by root 2. So for this question, let us x is equal to sin theta. Then let x is equal to sin theta. Then LHS of the first question, sin inverse 2x. 2x means 2 sin theta and root of 1 minus sin square theta. So this is sin inverse of 2 sin theta and root of 1 minus sin square theta is under root cos square theta, which is cos theta only. So this is sin inverse sin 2 theta, and hence this is 2 theta, and theta is what? From here if you see, theta is sin inverse x. So this is 2 sin inverse x, and this is your RHS. This is also given in the solution, so please see. So second part, similarly, take x is equal to cos theta and you will get the answer. Now let us see some other questions. See here, this is important also. Tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 2 by 11. Tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 2 by 11 is equal to nothing but tan inverse of 3 by 4. So how will we solve? So let us first LHS. This is tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 2 by 11. So this is nothing but tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So we already taught you property. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is what? Tan inverse x plus y 1 upon x minus y. So let us use the formula. So tan inverse of x plus tan inverse y, tan inverse x plus y, that is 1 by 2 plus 2 by 11 divided by 1 by minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 11. After solving we get tan inverse, see here, after solving we get tan inverse 15 by 20. Tan inverse 15 by 20, and this is nothing but tan inverse 3 by 4. So this is your RHS. So similarly some other questions. See, some other questions means express tan inverse cos x upon 1 minus sin x, where minus pi by 2 is less than x is less than pi by 2 in the simplest form. So for this question, please listen. See, tan inverse cos x 1 minus sin x. Okay, so this is the book method. So cos x as a cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Why? Because cos x is written as the cos of 2 into 1 by 2x, and this is what? X by 2, x by 2, and this is what? Cos 2 into theta. So cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta, and by this formula will come. Okay, so this one, and upon 1 minus sin x, so 1 can be written as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, and this is minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So sin x can be written as sin 2x, half angle formula, and this will become cos square x by 2 minus sin square मतलब a square minus b square, that's why a plus b and a minus b. So we can write it as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 within other bracket cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 and divided by what? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square, and this one is cancelled out. So after that your result is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, and this can be written as cos x by 2 out of the bracket 1 minus tan x by 2 and divided by cos x by 2 is out of the bracket 1 minus 1 plus tan x by 2, and this is nothing but cancelled out. So your result is 1 minus tan x by 2 upon tan inverse 1 minus tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan x by 2, and this is nothing but tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. So this is pi by 4 minus x by 2. So this is your result, and this is the simplest form of that particular question. Now see next one. Okay, you can solve more problems based on this, and thank you for today.